If you want to change wallpaper on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, you just have to open the settings on your phone, and then over here we can go to the home screen, lock screen and style. One of the ways to change the wallpaper is by changing the whole theme, so you can scroll through this list and you can choose whichever wallpaper, whichever style of the theme you like the most, and then you can of course apply it on your phone. Besides that, you can stick with the current theme that you have, swipe up from the bottom, and then over here we can tap on wallpapers, and again just try to find some of these example wallpapers that we have available straight from the beginning on your phone. You can also tap on more wallpapers in order to open the theme store, where we can find some other wallpapers as well. So let's say if I like this wallpaper, I can just tap on apply over here. Then I can choose to set it on the lock screen, home screen, or both, or even the carousel wallpapers. In my case, I'm gonna set it for both lock screen and home screen. You can of course still zoom in and zoom out and then use two fingers in order to move it around if needed. We have some additional options at the bottom of this screen, and then once you are done with the setup, just tap on apply in the upper right corner. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.